How teach-based study pattern help you in your studies and how smartly you use VBT, LVC and exam preparatory course?
So I think the video-based training gave me an in-depth knowledge of all topics, and not just the topics but the subtopics and various sections of company law, and even the practical knowledge that I gained from those VBTs. So I think they're very detailed and very precise in that concept. So I think that really helped me have an in-depth comprehensive knowledge, because it covered everything that's there in the module. And I think one of the mistakes that most students commit is that they don't really read the module, which I realized was very important while I was giving my exams. So I think the VBTs helped me understand those concepts in a concise manner. I found the live virtual classroom to be very interesting, because I think that there's this chat box where we could put in our queries and the teacher responded to that immediately. So I think one of the features that most online platforms lacked was there was no immediate communication with the professors. So I think the live virtual class provided an immediate interaction with the faculty members, and they were always very helpful in terms of that. Yes, I think one of the key features of Archives was that towards the end we discussed question papers of the previous attempts, and also the exam preparatory course provided me with a lot of questions and a question pool. I could see other students discuss their questions and learn from that, as well as discussing my own queries in the live virtual classroom. So the Archives did provide me with a lot of insight into what other students are studying and what their doubts are like. So I benefited from that, as well as the teachers' assistance. Yes. I think the discussion forum threads are very helpful in terms of solving the queries, and I think a lot of students post recent amendments, and even the professors regulate that forum. So I think that's one very effective medium of learning. And other than that, the assignments are extremely helpful, because at least they kept me on track and they helped me understand my goals in terms of the right amount of chapters that I needed to finish in particular time. So I think my message to all of you would be to make the best use of this wonderful medium, and I wish you all lots of good luck in all your future endeavors. Thank you. Was that I could study at my own pace, at my home, in a very supportive, conducive environment. So I didn't have to worry about going somewhere out or managing time according to the teacher's schedule. So I think this is very student-centric, and it's very open to the students' needs as compared to a lot of other mediums of learning.
It was Avni who told me that there were facilities available where she could go online in the comfort of the home, at times while eating her dinner and sort of attending to certain other things. And I think that wonderful opportunity that Goals provided her with, in terms of letting her be in the comfort of her home, as well as to in some way clearly benefit from the experts, is an advantage that I would be very thankful for to Goals.